So basically, Goal Esports is one of the leaders in esports initiatives in the Caribbean. And I think here in Aruba, we saw a huge opportunity to create a framework and a platform for gamers. You know, everybody games every day, so it's an opportunity for them to compete because, as everyone knows, globally the growth of esports has tripled over the last 3 to 4 years. So it's all about us creating a framework for young Arubans or any Aruban who is interested in video gaming and who would like to, one, you can play as a competitive player or you can get involved. You have streaming, you have commentary and things like that. So this event was the first of many to come because the turnout has been wonderful. It's the turnout we were looking for. So that shows there's an appetite for it. And yeah, it's all about esports and youth development.
And how many people is competed today?
32.
32. And what for sport you use?
So it's played on the PlayStation 5, and the game is EAFC 26, formerly known as FIFA. It's one of the most popular games worldwide, and in every country, even Aruba, it's the most popular title.
This is the first time, or you want to do more in the year?
So we're going to do a bit more. At the end of the day, is building an esports community, building a gaming community. So we have to keep doing, similar events with partners like Cas di Cultura, so we could ensure that, we create the framework, and then eventually, one day, you never know, we may have an Aruba national team competing globally to play in this esports. But we have, based on our market data, we have a lot of popular games such as Call of Duty, Rocket League, Fortnite, and even Mario Kart. So again, it's all about creating different games, creating community play, creating tournaments, creating streaming, creating content, and just building out an entire gaming framework for Aruba.